a dream of a country with peace, unity.
Fellow Sierra Leoneans, my name is Lilian Bangani of the KBS Production House. It's about the COVID-19, which is also known as the coronavirus. This virus is a deadly virus. It's a killer disease, which has no cure for now. This virus was discovered on the 31st of December 2019 in a small city called Wuhan in China, and now it's all over the world. Fellow citizens, Sierra Leone recorded its first case on the 31st of March 2020, and from then up to date, 1,727 confirmed cases has been recorded. The WHO declared this virus to be a pandemic all over, right across the globe. 388 active cases. We have 66 deaths. So you can see how deadly this virus is. So please, let's come together and put an end to this virus. The WHO, the health worker, the government and other partners has been trying hard to put an end to this deadly virus. But they can't do it alone. It takes you, me, and all of us to put an end to this deadly disease.
This is a fight that we provide to them.
Yes.
Let us be law-abiding citizens.
Yes.
This is KBS Movie Production. COVID-19 is real. Let's maintain social distance and always